Guys, in today's video I'm going to unbox this Star Master. So it's a dream rotating projection lamp. So let's unbox. So it comes in this kind of lamp. And it has pink of lamp, blue of lamp, purple of lamp. It has many colors. Okay, so it has a wire. And what's this? Let me take out the whole lamp. Just a second. Oh, come out. Yeah. So I've got purple one. So I'll keep this box down, and it looks like this. It has 3 buttons, A, B and C. You all can see the mirror image because I am doing the selfie camera with the selfie camera. It has 3 buttons, A, B, C, and it has a wire. Me just take out the wire. It has this kind of wire also. Yeah. So we have to put this over here, and it needs cell. You can put cell if you want to make the lamp to work anytime, then you have to put cell. But if you don't have cell and you want to put the lamp sometimes, like in a day 2 times or 1 time, then you can put the wire. So here's the charger of a mobile phone. I'll just take this one and connect this wire, the wire of this lamp, with the chargers. Yeah. Now we can charge it, but it does not have charging. It works on the cell, the battery you put down, or on the wire, on the electricity. So let's try it. And by the way, the most special thing is that it has a white cover, so that when we put it on, and if we put this lamp, it is a lamp mode, and it has 2 modes. A lamp mode, we can put this here like this, and it becomes a lamp. Then if we take out this, it becomes like the design on it comes out in the whole room. Let's try it. And by the way, it has 3 buttons, A, B, C. A is used for harder light, B is used for color changing, and C is used to rotate it. Like if I turn on C, right now it will not work. And at the side we have to put the pin over here. So I have the extension board. So I'll move my chair. I hope you guys can see the below part. So I have extension board over here. I'll keep it in the middle of my room. Here's it. Charger. I hope now you guys can see it very properly. Now, yeah, this one. Let me turn it on. So first we will try the lamp mode. Okay. Put the charger on. And going to put this. So this will become lamp mode. And let's turn it on. Wait, what happened? Oh yeah. Wow. Just a second. I'll turn off the lights. It's looking so nice. And when I will take out it, wow. Wait. Make the no light should come in my room. I'll turn it on again. So guys, above me there are stars and it's looking beautiful. And there is a moon. There are two moons and there are 4 colors which are like green, blue, red and yellow. So guys, I hope you can see it. It's looking really beautiful. Look at it. Okay, let's change the color. So here we have the buttons and I'll press B again. Color changed. Oh, there is no color. So if we press A again, it gets turned off. And let's press B now. And if we want to rotate, we'll press C. Wow, it's looking really beautiful in my room, by the way. It's looking so cool. Look at that part. Oh my god. Look at that. But in the night, it will look more beautiful, like when we sleep at that time. Let's change the color. Blue. Wow. One more time. Now it's red and green and I'll put harder light. Yeah, now it's looking more brighter. Wow. And if I turn on the lights, ta-da! Did you saw that? And if we put the lamp mode on it, then what will happen? Wow, it's looking more amazing. It's giving light and I've turned on the yellow portion, the yellow color. It's looking so beautiful. Oh my god. So this is the lamp mode. I'll change the color. Okay, yeah. If I take out the lamp mode, then it will come in my room one more time. And if I will watch this again, no lights. If it was my birthday today, it would be very nice. Yeah, it is very nice. I'll stop rotating and now I have started again. Look at it, it's looking so beautiful. Look at that big moon. Wait, what just happened? Oh my god, the electricity went! Oh no. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Bye.